Hey guys, Brandon here with the Brandon and Lana team over at Remax Structure, and today we are in Crystal Valley at 48 Dunsinane Lane, where the sellers have turned this home into a true Colorado cabin retreat. I'm so excited to show you. Come in, follow me, let me show you what it's all about. As you enter, you'll notice right away the unique hickory floors. To the right, you'll enter through double doors to a large private office. Next, you'll enter into the dining room where, even though it has a nice amount of separation, it also has that open feel with the bracketless shelving right above this double-sided fireplace. On the other side of the fireplace, we'll enter into the living room where you will notice not only the huge picture windows with Plantation Shutters, but the incredible view that is beyond that. And that's just the beginning. There are a tremendous amount of other features that I cannot wait to tell you about, including the wine fridge, under and over cabinet lighting, 42-inch cabinets, soft closed doors, pull-out drawers, and obviously plenty of space, as you can see, for all of your kitchen items. This is a great opportunity to tell you about some of the amazing features additionally that come with this home, including not only the 5 TVs up here, but 12 screens total, home automation system, security system with cameras, and full surround sound throughout the whole house. As we enter the master and pass through the Alder doors featured throughout the home, you can't help but be enamored by the majestic views. Heading into the 5-piece master bath, you have frameless shower doors and a garden-style jetted tub. And heading down to my favorite level of the home, we get down to the basement where you are met directly with the designer bar, featuring beetle kill countertops and repurposed railroad for the footrests. The Control 4 home automation system is continued down here in the basement, along with double-sided fireplace, and also can be included are the pool, hockey, and poker table. Stepping to my left, continuing the entertainer's dream, is a 7.1 surround sound Atmos movie theater. Guys, when I say that the features of this house just don't stop, I mean it. As we exit the walkout basement into the backyard, you'll see hot tub, gas fireplace, surround sound with televisions, specifically Sunbrite for outdoors, backing to open space. Guys, this is a true entertainer's paradise and an impressive representation of this floor plan. You have to see it to believe it. I can't wait to show you. Give me a call, we'll set up a showing.